Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake THV2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync AIOs. So friend, the THV2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync all-in-one liquid cooler series inheriting the key features of Thermaltake's strong product, and the latest THV2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync series provide a budget-friendly AIO option featuring the innovative MagForce 2.0 design and highly customizable LCD display. This powerful cooling solution introduces a higher level of convenience and aesthetic appeal beyond your expectation. And this new series includes the TH240 360 V2 Ultra EX RGB Sync using the 120 CTEX ARGB Sync fans and the TH280 420 V2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync using the 140 CTEX ARGB Sync fans, and the fans are upgraded with MagForce 2.0 design where the Pogo pin contact pads are 2 times larger than previously and enabling quicker and more stable magnetic connection, effortlessly achieving better cable management. The AIOS water block is crafted with industrial style featuring a 2.1-inch LCD display offering an impressive aesthetic design, and the screen can present time, weather or components real-time information through the TT RGB Plus 2.0 software, and you can upload preferred images, GIFs and videos as well, providing optimal personalization. As the lightning control of the fan, it also allows the lightning effect customization via 5-volt motherboard sync software, making your setup visually striking with the THB2 Ultra EX RGB Sync series. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.